Dear friends, greetings from Vinay Joseph. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Magic. Today, we are going to have a practical activity to make you understand why area is expressed in square units. What is area? Area of a plane figure is defined as the space occupied by the flat shape or surface, or it is also defined as the size of the surface. Whenever we have any plane figure, we will have two dimensions, and by using an appropriate formula, we find the area. Here I have a triangle ABC. The triangle ABC has base is equal to 12 units and the height is equal to 6 units. What will be the area of a triangle when the base and height are given? The area of the triangle when the base and height are given is given by the formula half base into height. So I'll have the area is equal to half into base is 12 into height is 6, and on simplification I will get the final answer as 36. And what is this 36? Square units. Now what I am concentrating today is on this part, square units. What is square units? To understand that, we will divide this triangle into small unit squares, and this triangle should be accommodating 36 small unit squares in that. Let us see whether practically we can show that. So this is the triangle. The triangle had base equal to 12 units and height equal to 6 units, and the formula on using the area was calculated to be 36 square units. I am now going to the finer aspects of that. The triangle I have divided into small unit squares. If you can see, I have numbered the squares also, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last square that I have is 30 here. But the answer is 36 unit squares. Where are the remaining squares? If you can see the figure, we have not numbered these empty triangles, and these empty triangles are right angled triangles. And this is a square, a unit square. And the unit square, I have cut it on the diagonal to get two right angled triangles. So now I am going to use all the unit squares to fill this triangle up and to check whether I will be getting 36 unit squares totally filling this triangle. Let us check that practically. I have filled in 30 squares in the triangle, and the empty areas which are in the form of right angles, I am filling it up using the same squares, but cutting the squares into two right angled triangles along the diagonal. So I am cutting it and placing it in the place where the right angled triangles are shown. So these two right angled triangles that I have placed, they actually constitute one unit square. So bear that in mind. Okay. So if I complete filling it up, this is what we are going to get as the final product. So dear friends, the triangle is now filled with unit squares. We will count the unit squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 30 squares, and as I had already told you, these two right angled triangles constitute one square, one unit square. So 30 unit squares, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. So why is the area measured in square units? Area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of the closed figure. I again repeat, please give attention. Area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of the closed figure. In this specific example, in the triangle, we have 36 unit squares covering the surface, and by using the formula, we calculated that the area is 36 unit squares, and this is the reason why the area is measured and expressed in square units. Dear friends, unless you try to understand these finer points, unless you try to understand the very basics of any subject, and more so with the subject maths, you will not be able to develop love towards it and interest in learning as well. It is also told that if you are not updated, you are outdated. Please do not be students for only learning. Your learning means improvement. Your learning means self-improvement. Your learning means you taking personal charge of your living, your knowledge acquirement and your improvement. Spend more time on reading. Spend more time on research. Try innovative methods to understand the concepts. Now, as there is a pandemic and you are at home, you have time at your disposal. Use that time for your betterment. Please take care. Stay at home. Stay safe. God bless. Subscribe to the channel. Share and comment.